Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create the skin color on your illustrated croquis, and I will demonstrate everything step by step, so keep watching till end. Now I am using Ohuhu alcohol marker in the shade of prime rose, and I am giving a layer of this prime rose color to the open areas of the body. You need to fill all the open portions of the body with that prime rose color or whatever you will use for your selected croquis. And now I will give the contours and the shadings with another color, which is dark yellow. This is the dark yellow tone from the same brand Ohuhu alcohol marker, and I will give shading with it. Then I will blend it with the prime rose color which I have given earlier for the base layer. I am now just creating the lines of the contour and the hairline portions, and now I am blending it with prime rose color which I have given earlier for the base layer, and blending it with the dark yellow tone. You should always use two colors, one for base layer and one for the contour lines or the shading, and then blend it with your base color. So choose your own combination of base color and the shading color. Now I am using the Faber-Castell Watercolor pencil in the shade of dark brown and shading the eyebrows, corner of the eyes and the corner of the nose, and I will blend it with the prime rose which is the base layer of my croquis face. So you always have to blend your colors with the base layer whichever you use for your croquis for coloring. Now I am using the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens in black color for the eyes. This is the extra small tip I am using for the eyebrows and the eyes. And now I am using the Micron 003 pens from Sakura for the lashes. Now I am defining the eyes and my eye is completed now. I will shade the body parts also. All the corners of the blouse, all the corners of the and the jewelry's corners, I will shade it with the dark brown color from Faber-Castell. I am giving more detailing with the dark brown color to the eyes. For the intense look, I am giving the more shading, and now I am using the polychromos white color for highlight. Now I am using the pink shade of the Faber-Castell watercolor pencil, and now blending it with the Faber-Castell polychromos white color pencil for the blush. Now I am creating the contour line more visible and blending it with the base layer of the alcohol marker. I want more chiseled look. Now I am giving the red shade of Pentonic red gel pen to the lips. I think it's the most vibrant color from the gel pen versions. So I am using the Pentonic gel pens for the lip colors. Now I am using the dark brown shade from Faber-Castell watercolor pencils to give more intense look to the body, and all the corners I am filling with the dark brown color, and now I will blend it with the prime rose base color of my model's body. And I will blend it with the lightest pressure. Don't rub too much the watercolor pencils or the alcohol markers, because your paper could be torn with your rubbing. So do it patiently and give some time to blending. And I have completed my skin tone, guys. In the next video I will demonstrate how to illustrate the lehengas and the dupattas. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and thank you for watching.